Welcome everybody to Austin, Texas. We got snow. Lots and lots of snow. Also guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I own a Jeep Wrangler. This baby right here can take care of this. But I'm gonna walk all the way to my parents' house. And that is approximately, what the fuck is going on here? Why is there ice in my seats? I don't know. Anyways, guys, I was gonna get a backpack, but it looks like we're going like this. Let's do it. So this is some new shit around here in Austin. We never had snow, or at least this much of it. But here we go. We're gonna be doing our, I guess, 10-mile walk. I would run it, but I think I'm gonna walk it. Get a good exercise in. We got a husky neighbor's dog. There's his tracks, or at least I think they are. They're probably deer tracks. Oof. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good walk. By the way, guys, I got new glasses, 2 new pairs. This is one of them. I like them. I don't think they make me feel too nerdy, but they're pretty cool. Got the sun coming out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm in shape, but I'm already tired. Let's do this. This is actually really exciting for me, or for everybody that lives here in Austin that has never traveled and always been an Austinite. But it is 9 degrees out and about with it looks like 3 to 4 inches of snow. So yeah. So just from my house to the stop sign right there, that's a mile. And yeah, my Jeep could definitely go through this like cake, but I'm deciding to walk. And also my channel, I really don't know what it's really gonna be consisting of, but for now, it's just gonna be random vlogs. Okay, here's the stop sign. Right there, that's where I live. La Hacienda. Okay, see somebody already came here with their 4x4. Let's do this. And I was going through the deeper part of the snow, as you can tell. Came on these tracks. Whole lot easier. Whole lot easier. Shaka, mahalo. That's Hawaiian, by the way. I'm not Hawaiian, I'm Mexican. But a good friend of mine, he taught me a few things about Hawaiians, their culture. I can actually go there one day and have a place to crash. So one thing I did forget to put on, that are my gloves. My hands are freezing. But no worries. I'm not gonna die. Right here's my store. As you can tell, I think the whole video is gonna be blurry. I don't know. But there's my store. There's my little plaza. And we made it to the next stop sign. So right here, we got the little plaza with the florist. That's my bar right there. The tavern. Oh yeah. It's a lot of movement. Woo-wee! I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I really don't have much to say right now, but just that it's cold and I got miles to walk, so I'll keep recording for a little bit longer and then I'm gonna have to sign out. A lot of snow. That over there looks like somebody's burning something. I would too. I got a lot of firewood I need to burn. Snow and snow. Ooh-wee. Okay, guys, I'm gonna sign off right here. I'll post another one whenever I get to my destination. I'm going to a friend's house real quick. Well, it's gonna take me a little while, but I'm gonna be there. And then I'm going to my parents and record my nieces, you know, making a snowman or something. Peace.